Are you looking for a smart and effortless way to convert your MBOX emails into PDF files with attachments? Welcome to WholeClear MBOX to PDF Converter, the ultimate solution to export your MBOX data into PDF format quickly and efficiently. Key features of MBOX to PDF Converter. Export MBOX files to PDF. Quickly convert your MBOX data into PDF documents for easy access and sharing. Batch conversion mode. Save time by exporting multiple MBOX files to PDF in a single process. Supports multiple email clients. Compatible with MBOX files from various email platforms, including Thunderbird, Apple Mail, Entourage, Spicebird, and more. Advanced compatibility features. Works seamlessly across all major Windows operating systems. How to export MBOX emails to PDF with attachments. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear MBOX to PDF Converter. Step 2. Select the MBOX file from your mail source. Step 3. Choose between folder or file mode and upload the MBOX files you wish to export. Step 4. Select Convert to PDF file format and click Next. Step 5. Browse and specify the destination path for saving the converted files. Step 6. Click on Convert now to begin the conversion process. With WholeClear MBOX to PDF Converter, you can print, archive, or share your MBOX emails in PDF format, quickly, securely, and without any data loss. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.